In this video, we will be going over surds. So surds are a great place in your exam to pick up marks, as once you learn the surd rules and get familiar with them, the questions become really easy with lots of practice. So we're going to start off with question K. We'll write it out. So 3 root 2 times 3 root 3 times 2 root 3. Now we'll multiply our 3, and our 2. So we get 3 times 2 multiplied by our 3 surds. So you get root 2 times root 3 times root 3. And so this can be simplified to 18 times root 2 times 3 times 3. And so this is because of the surd rule. Root A times root B is equal to root of A times B. And so this gives us 18 times root 18. And so we get 18 times root of 9 times 2. And so this can help us get 18 times 3 root 2. So by splitting 18 as 9 as a square number and an additional number, you can square root your square number and bring it out of your root to get 3 root 2, and then you multiply that by 18 to get 54 root 2. Now try question F. So 3 root 5 the whole squared, and so each individual term can be squared by itself. So you get 3 squared times root 5 times root 5. That gives us 9 times root 5 times root 5. And so due to our surd rules, root A times root A is equal to root of A squared, which is equal to A. So it'll be 9 times 5, which is 45. Now, feel free to answer all the rest of the questions. I would recommend that you try to answer the rest of the questions. If you can't get an answer for it, write it in the comments. I'll be sure to answer that in the next video. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out any new content.